Today we are going to test a theory. It is better to eat out or recreate the dish at home. We are at Fixins Soul Kitchen in Downtown L.A. to try their famous shrimp and grits. We're going to see how it is, we're going to do an honest review, and most importantly, how much it's gonna cost us. So, the dish we ordered was shrimp and grits, a dish that consists of shrimp, onion, peppers, and tomatoes simmered in a dark beer sauce, accompanied by creamy sourdough grits. Let's try it! And here is our review. Service excellent, 10 out of 10. Flavor 9 out of 10. It was very tasty, but there was no wow factor. And the value for your money, 5 out of 10, which I will explain why later. The bill came to 28 plus the tip, we spent about 35. So the recipe we chose was by Flay from his book Bobby at Home. Some Spanish style shrimp and grits. Let's go to the supermarket. So we went to Smart and Final, and what we got was this. We spent a total of 35, but wait, of those 35 is enough for 10 portions. That is to say, for each plate from Fixins, I can make 5 at my house. That's why I gave it 5 out of 10 in the score. We're going to start by making the dry rub for our shrimp. We're going to put paprika, ancho chili powder, coriander seed, fennel seeds, dry mustard, salt, and we're going to stir, and our dry rub is ready, guys. Then we're going to season our shrimp, front and back, more or less like this. Ready. Then, in a stainless steel skillet, we're going to put enough olive oil. When it's already hot, we put our shrimp in and cook them for 1 minute per side. And in the same skillet, we're going to add garlic, wine, and a can of roasted tomatoes to make our sauce. And ready, our sauce is ready. So now we're going to make our grits. So for each packet, we're going to put a third cup of boiling water. We are going to mix well until everything is incorporated, and we add our manchego cheese, the amount you want. You don't worry, it stays delicious. And a teaspoon of butter. We stir, and when it looks more or less like this, it's ready. So to plate it, we are going to put our creamy manchego cheese grits first, and we crown it with our sauce, which has prosciutto, garlic, roasted tomatoes. It is super delicious, you guys. Then we put the shrimp. We gave them a bath in the sauce before plating them. And finally we crown it with finely chopped Italian parsley. And ready, our Spanish style shrimp and grits in the style of Bobby Flay from his book Bobby at Home are ready. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.